This is Epson Expression Home XP 4200. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1. And what is inside here is the ink cartridges. Ink cartridges 604, magenta, black, and also this end is yellow and cyan ink cartridges. And this is the power cable. This one is 3-pin power cable. Some country use 2-pin, but this one got 3-pin. Let me show you what. So this is the power cable, 3-pin power cable. And this is the information pack. I like the color. This is very light and compact. Expression Home XP 4200. Okay, now from the back, just gonna remove the packages. Then okay, so this is the rear paper tray. This is the rear paper tray, and if you have any paper jam, hold this together and remove it and check for any paper jam and debris here. I do get questions about paper jam. Okay, so just press the spring here and hold it together. Okay, so hold this together and remove it. Check inside and open it up. Okay, so this paper tray can load various sizes of paper, photo paper, A4 paper, 4x6, various size. Okay, so rear paper tray. And this is the scanner, flat bells scanner. You can see what the scanner looks like. This is the scanner, flat bell scanner. And this is the LCD screen, like I said earlier. So for you to be able to see what is inside. And this is the ink cartridge holder. It's just by the corner here. Once you switch this printer on, it will move away from the corner to slightly to the center for you to be able to change or install the ink.